Hello, I've gotten this diamond sword from Minecraft, and it was $40 from Toys R Us. And if you want to get it, you can only get it from eBay and Toys R Us. So that's kind of a downer. You might get it at Walmart and Walgreens, but there's only a 1.5% chance you will. And hopefully, I'll do a video of my chest and torch, and maybe I'll get the diamond pickaxe. Hopefully I will, and this is almost the end of the video, so it looks exactly like the diamond sword, but it's just foam. It can hurt people, yes, but not in a bad way. So, yeah, that's all for this video, and the handle's kind of beat up, so, yeah, and, I guess that's it for this video, and, it's just a mini